Hello, in this video I want to show you how to schedule Wi-Fi working days or a specific time on Cudy AC1200. And to do this we'll need to open our settings and then go for advanced. Inside scroll down for security and you should be able to see Wi-Fi schedule. Make sure that is enabled. And here you'll be able to schedule any events. So there's weekdays, and here we can choose a specific day if you like, or working day, or every day. If you choose working day, I think it will be from between Monday to Friday. And if you choose weekend, it will be Saturday and Sunday. If you choose every day, then you will get all days of a week for this block. And here you can adjust the time where the Wi-Fi will stop working. So we want to go for 6 to 22. Yep, let's do that. And we can enable to disable disabled Wi-Fi forced. You can also delete any of those schedules to adjust, for example, specific day, and you can also add them right here. When you're ready, make sure to click on Save and Apply, and those settings should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.